Previously in Leeander Dynamic Garage, I have showed you how to clean the carburetor of Honda Activa and Honda CB Unicorn. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean the carburetor of Honda Hornet. My name is Leeander Dominic. Welcome to Leeander Dynamic Garage. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required for carburetor cleaning are pliers, star, screwdriver, spanner size of 15, brush, diesel and rug clothes. If your tools are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Remove the side cover. To see the carburetor of Honda Hornet, we have to open the left side cover of the bike. For that, we have to open the screw and the two lock pins. Step 2. Take out the carburetor. Once we have opened the cover, we can see the carburetor. Now, to take out the carburetor, first we have to loose the clamp that holds the carburetor. Then we open the screw that holds the acceleration cable. Then we remove the drain and fuel inlet pipes that are connecting to the carburetor. With the help of a spanner of size 15, we loose the choke cable that is connecting to the carburetor. Step 3. Dismantle of the carburetor. Now we have taken the carburetor. Time to dismantle the carburetor. By opening these 3 screws, we can open the bottom cap. And here we can see the float, pilot jet and main jet. We take them out. Now we remove the fuel line since I was unable to open it during step 2. Now this is an important screw, a mixture screw. Before opening, count the number of turns required to seal the nozzle and note down the count because after cleaning we have to set it to the same position. Now opening these 2 screws, we can open the top cap of the carburetor. Step 4. Clean the carburetor. Now all the components are dismantled. Now we wash it with diesel and wipe it with rugged cloths. Step 5. Assembly of the carburetor. Now the components of the carburetor are clean, we assemble the carburetor. First we set the diaphragm and place the spring, then we close the top cap. Then we move on to set the mixture screw. We seal the screw and open it partially by the number of turns noted during the dismantling of the screw. Then we insert the pilot jet followed by the main jet. We now close the drain of the carburetor and we set the float, but before that we have to place the float needle and then hinge the float with a hinge needle. Then we close the bottom of the carburetor. Step 6. Placing the carburetor. Now the carburetor is clean, we put back the carburetor on the bike.